G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? What I want to show you today, or this morning, because what I plan to do is finish my whole bathroom today, all the tiling, and then tomorrow I grout. I just might have a little bit to do still, but hopefully I complete all the tiling by the time I go home. So I've just done up this door. I had a chip in this tile. If you take it out, like I accidentally chipped it yesterday, I thought, oh right, I need to take that out. Don't leave it too long. Take it out. I took it out first thing this morning, replace it easy, because your glue is still green, so you just scrape it off the waterproof, bang, in another one, 5 minutes, whooshka, it's done, you know, easy peasy. I'm just doing these at the moment. What I do is I'll be going straight across. I'll show you how to cut these out. I want exactly the same height, so I've marked this one for here, and it's a little bit tricky to go off it, so you lay it out on the floor, mark it there, mark it there, and you're good to go to cut it. Noise. Right, how I mark my taps is like that. I need to get a plumb line up there, so sight it like so, or do it another way like that. There it is. I fluked it, it was bang on. Sight down. Yep. Next one. There. There. Okay. Mark them off. A lot of Australia is down at the moment. An internet supplier is gone off stream. It hasn't affected me in my office, but it's affecting a lot of people out there. Right, I'll zap out into the garage and cut these suckers. Right, here we are. All systems go. Thunderbirds are go. Bloody puppets. Always going on an angle. Now, depending on my marking, it should be, if my marking's good, well, that'll be bang on. You should really, don't take any notice of this. I should have turned the power off. I need to be a bit bigger than that. Oh, not that big. Okay, let's go a little bit smaller and I'll make it bigger. So I want to go to about that roundness. So this is how you make a bigger hole if you haven't quite got the exact size. This is how you do it. A little bit of water would be handy. See, when I do it by hand with my grinder, I can make it bigger easy just with a piece of tile or a screwdriver and the hammer, because it's all back cut. So that's all right. Let's give it a go, people. I'll just shoot inside into the bathroom. Back in a sec.